SpaceX's Starlink faced 300,000 collision risks in 2025. SpaceX's Starlink satellite network executed roughly 300,000 collision avoidance maneuvers in 2025, according to a recent filing with the U.S. Federal Communications Commission, FCC. This surge underscores the escalating challenges of managing an increasingly crowded low Earth orbit, where thousands of satellites now compete for space. The problem of orbital congestion. Starlink, launched in 2019, now comprises around 9,400 satellites, representing 65% of all active satellites. While the service delivers internet access globally, its rapid expansion has dramatically increased the risk of collisions, which could create debris fields, rendering orbital paths unusable. The FCC mandates regular safety reports from SpaceX due to this growing threat. Collision avoidance. A massive undertaking from June to November 2025 alone, Starlink satellites performed 149,000 maneuvers, adding to the 144,000 from the previous period. This brings the total for the year to around 300,000, a 50% jump from the 200,000 maneuvers recorded in 2024. SpaceX operates far more conservatively than the industry standard, initiating maneuvers at a risk level of 3 in 10 million, while most companies wait for a 1 in 10,000 probability. That's a huge amount of maneuvers, notes Hugh Lewis of the University of Birmingham, highlighting the unprecedented scale of this effort. Escalating risk and future projections, the increasing number of maneuvers isn't just a statistical anomaly. It signals a fundamental shift in orbital dynamics. Unlike pre-Starlink satellites that might perform a handful of maneuvers annually, SpaceX satellites now execute up to 40 per satellite each year. Experts predict this number will reach 1 million annually by 2027, compounded by the deployment of additional megaconstellations by other companies in the US and China. Close encounters and orbital dominance. SpaceX's report also revealed repeated near misses, particularly with the Chinese Honghu 2 satellite. This suggests that SpaceX has effectively occupied key orbital altitudes between 340 and 570 kilometers, though the Outer Space Treaty theoretically guarantees equal access to all space. Hardware failures and autonomous systems. The report disclosed a Starlink satellite explosion in December due to a suspected hardware failure, prompting SpaceX to redesign future components. The company relies on an automated collision avoidance system, though one incident involved Astroscale, a Japanese company, performing an uncoordinated maneuver that briefly raised collision risks. Astroscale disputes SpaceX's account, stating its actions were compliant with Japanese guidelines. The bottom line: SpaceX is successfully dodging collisions at an extraordinary rate, but the sheer volume of maneuvers underscores the unsustainable nature of the current orbital environment. A single mistake could trigger a catastrophic cascade of debris, jeopardizing space access for decades.